Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the weekly market outlook. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do also click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video here. Before I continue, I want to introduce to you a prop firm I've discovered recently. All right, they are doing very well in the industry. All right, so I want to introduce to you so that you start benefiting from them. All right, so it's called the Traders with Edge prop firm, and I did a video recently reviewing this prop firm. All right, yeah, so check in my description box below, the link is there. Just hit on it and go and watch the full video. All right, but let me take you through the account types, all right, shortly. So they have one phase account, two phase account, and the instant phase account. All right, so with the one phase account, you just pass just one challenge, all right, just one step challenge, and then you get funded. The two phase, you have first phase and second phase. So the first phase, they give you a challenge, and then when you pass the first phase, you move to the second phase before you are being given an account to start trading and then profit from it. And then you have the instant account. With the instant account, you just once you purchase it, they give you a funded account, so that whatever profit you make, you receive some part of percentage of it. All right, so you can get as low as $5,000 account up to $1 million account. All right, yeah, so with $55, all right, with $55 you'll be able to get a $5,000 account. But the most interesting part is that, all right, there is a coupon code in the description. When you use the coupon code, you get 15% off. All right, so instead of, let's say, the $55, you don't pay $55. All right, yeah, so check my description box. I've done a full video to review this. All right, I went into details explaining all the account types that you need to know. So kindly go into my description or check into my playlist to get a video and then watch. All right, let's get back to the chat and see what the market has for us going into a new week. Yeah, so this week is a very crucial week, all right, for the market. It's a very crucial week. All right, the US election is up and running, all right, here. So we are all waiting to see what comes out. All right, whatever the result will be is really going to influence the financial market. Yeah, so you take note, whatever the result will be will really influence the market. So we'll see what will happen going into this week. All right, aside that too, we have the FOMC coming up. All right, yes, the Fed is looking at reducing their interest rate from 5% to 4.75%. all right, here. So let's see what happens from there. All right, here. So let's delve into my watch list, and then we see what is up for us going into a new. So we start with the dollar index. For the dollar index, last week we saw price with drifting into the zone right here, and on Friday we saw price moving up. And so going into a new week, I'll expect to see the dollar index moving to the upside. All right, this is a 4-hour time frame. Look at how price tap into this fair value graph right here. All right, let me just show you the zone. All right, look at how price tapped here, then we saw price was moving up. All right, yes. So as it stands now, I'm expecting to see price going into next week retrace a little bit into the zone right here. I want to see price retrace a little bit into the zone right here, then we see a move up. All right, yes. So going forward, I want to see the dollar index giving us what bullish movement. So that is that for the dollar index. Let's move to gbpusd and see what is happening there. Yeah, so for gbpusd, if I'm expecting to see the dollar index move to the upside, definitely I'm expecting to see the gbpusd to move to the downside. All right, you've seen price taking out this low right here, tapping into the zone. So at the start, I'm expecting to see price would push to the downside, but there's something that I want to show you on the 4-hour time frame. All right, yes, let's switch the 4-hour time frame and see. Yeah, so looking at this zone right here, we saw price look at what happened. Price took out this low right here and it tapped into the zone. Then we saw price was pushing to the downside. All right, so as it stands now, I would want to see price just look at something here. All right, you realize that price is stacked between this low, all right, this low right here, and this zone right here. All right, so even though I'm expecting to see price push to the downside, I would be more interested if I see the zone price violating this low right here. All right, I want to see price violate this zone. All right, tap here, and I'll look for what selling opportunities, and I see price push to the downside. So that is going to be my expectation so far as GBP USD is concerned. I'm expecting to see price would push to the downside. So the from this low right here, come back to tap into it, then you see a push to the downside, taking out here at so 80 USD to same plan. Right, I want to see price push to the downside. All right, yes, but let's switch to the 4-hour and see how things are going there. All right, for very much clarity. Yes, so last week we saw some bit of consolidation right here. All right, so I want to see price move out of this consolidation. This whole thing you are seeing here is a consolidation. Yeah, it's really a consolidation. So I want to see price move out of this consolidation. All right, so I want to see price violate this low right here, then you see a push back up, then you see a push down. All right, yeah, so that is what I'll be expecting to see so far as AUD/USD is concerned. Yeah, so those of you that have been watching me for some time now, last I made you aware that my days of going to the lower time frames are over. All right, I'm a swing trader for that, and for that matter, the lowest time frame I can go is the 2 hour. All right, not even the 1 hour. The lowest time frame I can go is the 2 hour. So you take note of that. Yeah, let's move to USD card and see what is happening. So the dollar index USD card same plan, but I don't like how USD card is moving. Honestly speaking, whenever I see choppy price action, it really my interest in that market is becomes way low. All right, even though we've seen USD card moving to the upside, but the way and manner in which it's moving to the upside, I don't like it at all. All right, yes, it's choppy. All right, look at this, it's very choppy. All right, but we can see price pushing to the downside. All right, we can really see price pushing to the downside. Myself, for now, I'm not so much interested in trading USD card. All right, so for those of you who still have that interest in expect price push down a little bit, all right, then we see price push up. But for myself, trading USD card at the moment is not really something that I'll entertain. All right, yes, because of how price has been reacting lately. All right, price moving up though, but it's lacking institutional sponsorship. All right, yes, it's really it's lacking. USD card at the moment is lacking institutional sponsorship, and when it lacks institutional sponsorship, it doesn't really move me to get into the market. All right, because I want market that really comes with volatility. All right, you could see volatility candles and all that. That is where my interest goes to. But I mean, a choppy action like this, price action like this, I mean, it's really turns off my interest. All right, yeah, so you take note about that. Let's look at what is happening on GBP JPY. Yeah, so for GBP JPY, I'm expecting price to push to the downside. All right, you've seen recently you saw price was pushing to the upside, and on Wednesday, Thursday, we had a huge impulse move to the downside. Friday we had a push back up, but I see that as a retracement. All right, yes, so look at the 4-hour time frame. All right, so this is the 4-hour time frame. Look at how price, this is the last two down close candle prior to price. These are the last two down close candle prior to price was moving to the upside. Take out this liquidity right here, then violated this low, right, making this zone a very important area All right, look at how price tapped into it and then it rejected quickly. All right, so I'm expecting to see price push the downside. I'm expecting to see price push the downside, take out this low. All right, so my draw on liquidity is this low right here so far as GPJPY is concerned. So take note, I'm bearish on GPJPY. Let's look at what is happening on the gold market. So for some time now, we've seen the gold market pushing to the upside. All right, but as it stands now, I'm expecting to see price push down. All right, I'm expecting to see some short-term push down or some short-term bearishness so far as the gold market is concerned. But I want to see price clear off, all right, this low right here. All right, I want to see price clear off this low right here. Let's switch to the 4-hour time frame and see. Yes, I want to see price clear up this low right here. All right, tap into it and see a push to the downside. That is when trading the gold market will be of interest to me. All right, yeah, so that is just that for the gold market. Yeah, so that is just that for the weekly market analysis. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do well to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And then yes, don't forget to check out Traders with Edge. All right, just as I said, there's a coupon code in the description box. Use it to get 15% off on your first time purchase, and then there will be another coupon code, all right, of which you get 10% off after making your first time purchase. All right, after making your first time purchase, and then you want to purchase another account, you get 10% off. All right, yes, so you take note of that. I'll be doing a video, all right, I'll be doing a video on how to buy any account on Traders with Edge using my coupon code. All right, yes, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that whenever I drop that video, you will get notified. I'm looking at by the close of this week, the video should be ready. All right, yeah, so that is just that for the weekly market outlook. I'll come your way again another time. Peace.